watching Fox 28. Good Day Columbus starts now.
Welcome back. A live look outside. Pretty chilly morning. Temperatures in the low 20s at 8:45 this morning. Well, many of us start off the new year with a goal to eat right and feed your family healthy food. This morning, Natalie Lehner is here from the Ohio Corn and Wheat Growers Association. And Natalie, whole wheat pasta, that's what we're going to go with today. So obviously a healthier choice.
It's a healthier choice, and you can sneak it into your kids' pasta. Instead of using refined grains, you get the nutrients in this pasta. Just kind of sneak it in. We've got an example of that whole grain pasta over there. Okay. It's good with fiber and B vitamins, so it's pretty good for you. And then you put some, we've got some tomatoes over there, basil and cheese. I'm going to put you to work to chop some broccoli.
This
Dana
is dangerous.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so let's talk about, this is the final dish here, but let's talk about
yeah, that's the final dish.
How we get there, what are we using, that sort of stuff.
Okay, so we're using the whole grain pasta. We have the pasta in here boiling right now. We've got a head start.
And I'm chopping broccoli.
Yeah, you're going to chop some broccoli.
How do you
have to sing while you do it. I just chop. Actually, just cut it closer to there. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And you don't want that whole floret in there, so you want to kind of chop that up a little bit. No, yeah, get rid of that. Just throw it. Just throw it.
Get out of there.
Yeah, and then cut that up into smaller pieces.
Yeah. Broccoli's going everywhere.
Right.
Okay. So perfect. Okay. So the basil, tomatoes, some cheese.
Right, we've got that going in here right now. At the same time that I'm boiling the pasta, I've also got the, using turkey sausage. It's kind of a healthy alternative to regular pork sausage. It's just lower in fat. I bought turkey meatballs, actually, and you can buy just about any kind of sausage and chop it up and put it in there. And right now we've got the basil and the tomatoes going in here, and we'll add some of that cheese.
Okay. Do you put that on before?
Look at your stems.
Yeah. What? This is awful.
Chop it a little bit closer to it.
Can you tell I love broccoli here, folks?
I can tell you love to cook, too.
You know, I do cook a lot, and I do like broccoli steamed, but I don't usually cut it, so it's like...
That's okay. You can buy it in a bag at a grocery store. It makes it much easier for you. So when you do that, so you've got everything boiling, pretty soon you're going to... you're going to drain this. We don't have a drainer over here, so you're going to drain this, and you're going to put the broccoli actually back into the water. So you can get the pasta out and then steam the broccoli for a couple of minutes, maybe about 3 minutes, just to get it a little bit soft. But you don't want it too soft because the nutrients are right there when it's fresh like that.
Right.
And so you've got all of this going, and then you combine the two. The broccoli. I'm sorry. You'll combine both of these. Put the pasta in there and whip it up. And then the thing that you get finally is this.
Okay, so we're talking
about... You're not really hiding the vegetables because the vegetables are really clear here. Your kids are going to know that they're getting vegetables. You're hiding the whole grain goodness in the pasta itself.
Okay, so, I mean, as far as nutritional value, this is, I mean, it's well representing, you know...
Just about everything. Yeah, you don't have a sauce on it, but it makes up for it because you have basil and you have the cheese in there. So it makes up for not having a sauce. And I just want to say the reason why I'm here, too, is because the grain that's used in this pasta is grown in Ohio.
Oh, okay.
So our farmers, we have about 1 million acres of wheat out there growing, and our Ohio farmers make this healthy pasta.
Perfect. And so what are we talking about as far as cook time is concerned? I mean, obviously, pasta is what, 10, 12 minutes, something like that?
Yeah, it takes a little bit for it to boil. It's about 25 minutes total.
Okay. So
yeah, it's not too bad.
Too long, but okay.
Right, if you have the proper tools and everything. I think Stomp took some of mine, so...
All right.
They were fun.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much. We've put the recipe on our website. Go to myfox28columbus.com and click on recipes. Ladies.
All right, thank you.